This is problem 8.9 from Brigham and Houston Fundamentals of Financial Management, Concise 9th edition. We've got stock R with a beta of 2 and stock S with a beta of 0.45, and then some information about the required return on the average share of stock and the risk-free rate. Well, take the risk-free rate and then take the risk premium, and those together make up the required rate of return. Let's start out with the market, then we'll do stock R and stock S. R for risky, S for not so risky. Alright, we're given that the risk-free rate is 5.0%. That's given, and that's going to be the same for all of them. The risk-free rate is independent of risk, so all of the securities can earn at least that much. The risk premium, if the entire stock market has a required rate of return of 10%, and 5% of it's the risk-free part, then the other 5% of it must be the risk premium. Okay, stock R has a beta of 2, which means that its risk premium is 2 times what the market risk premium is, and that comes out to 10%. So if I add those numbers together, stock R has an expected return of 15%. Stock R's risk premium is 0.45 times the average. So its risk premium is 2.25%. Add those component pieces together. Alright, so by how much does the required rate of return on the riskier stock exceed the less risky stock? Well, the risk-free rate isn't going to be different between them at all. Where they're going to have a difference is in the risk premium, and that's going to be the total difference between the two. Alright, risk-free rate is going to be the same for both, so there's no difference there, but the 7.75% difference in the required rate of return is all made up of the difference in the risk premiums.